Okay, YouTubers, it's been a couple of weekends since I was able to get down here, and today was all about the electrical. Finished off running the outlets down low here and the GFIs up here that are close to the sink, and then I started on our lights. I've already got a couple going here. Had to rerun, if you remember, I had a patch up there, which is temporary. Had to rerun a new, some new strands that go up there through the floor. Those are what run actually to the top of the stairs to power that light. So I had to, I kind of see, chip away a little bit around the light so I could get my tape fish in there and get that going. Wired it up to the light here. You can see I'm in the process of taking down the old ones. Came down here, so now I've got the lights off, lights on, three-way switch for the stair light. I've got a three-way light here, which lights up my 3 cans that are in the ceiling, and I can turn them off down here. This is my bar lights, so the 2 small ones. I got floodlights in there right now, so they're pretty bright, but they'll curve, have little domes on them, and push more light right down here on the bar. But I'm pretty impressed with that. And then this is going to be, this is for the rec room. So these 4 cans out here, which I just finished stringing them along, and this wire comes down around and into this gobbledygook. Who thought that that would become such a mess? And then I've got a home run that's run all the way over to here. Actually, one of these is the jumper. I've got a switch in the closet, so it's going to come out of the switch box to power the closet light. So flip switch. Then I got a jumper that runs all the way down through that soffit, across there, down there, okay, to feed this. And then I put in another jumper here, which goes back up, around, and back down to feed the other side of the room, which is the home theater. So I'll get to, probably not this weekend, but wiring these 4, and then the light, these 4 cans here, and then that will go to the 3rd switch there. So I've run all my 3-way switch wire. So my 14-3 wire is for your switches. And of course, you try to label them something meaningful. Home theater 3-way is what I'm using here. So got a lot going on, a lot of really, it seems to be progress now. I know it looks like a total pit down here, but lights are working. I've got another jumper that's coming over here for my closet light. And I got a lot of different light bulbs and different wattages. We'll change them out to be what we want. More white or more yellow, warm tones. But off of one 15-amp circuit, I've got my 2 lights, one at the top, one at the bottom, my 3 halls, so that's 5, 6, 7. I've got 3 in here. I'm flipping this switch, 7, 8, 9, and then my 1 in the closet, which is 10. So 10 on one circuit is really actually underutilized. When you run new circuits, they want you to do 80%, which if all your cans are 65-watt cans, that's like 12 cans on one circuit. If it were fully utilized, I think it's like 15 cans is the max you can have on one circuit. 8 cans is the max you can have on a switch. So if I flip that switch there, it can only control 8 cans max. You don't want to overheat your switch, so you have to split them up. So a total of 10 lights on 1, 2, 3, probably 4 different circuits, or switches rather, is not a huge deal at all. And then I'm going to put the rec room here, which is these 4, and there's 4 in here, plus I kind of forgot about one here. There'll be a 5th one right there in that little soffit there. So that'll be 9, and that will be on one 15 amp in there. And then I've got 3 in here. I'm going to put 1 in the closet, so that's 4. I've got 2 cans, 5, 6, plus my light switch vanity light, which will be 7. So plenty of space. They probably could have broken them out better and had more of these lights and gotten 2 circuits out of it. If I'd thought about it and done it better, because I reused my circuit that was already existing in there for the basement lights, because there was nothing on it but these old things, which I'm in the process of chasing down the old wires that's totally disconnected from the switch panel, and I'm cutting those down now. So I've already got a pile of them over here somewhere, about 3 or 4 of them I've cut down. So that's it for about this weekend. Next weekend's Labor Day weekend, so I'll have an extra day. So hopefully I'll be able to finish the rest of the electrical and have the lights working in here, and then start doing a few other things in here to get ready for my final inspection before I do all the insulation. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching.